Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. Today, we're diving into the fuse box diagram for the 2012 to 2018 BMW 3 Series, specifically the F30, F31, and F34 models. Let's get started. The BMW 3 Series is known for its sporty handling and luxurious features. However, like any car, it can encounter electrical issues, and that's where the fuse box comes in handy. In this video, I'll walk you through the fuse box locations and their diagrams so you can troubleshoot any problems you may face. First, let's locate the fuse boxes. There are typically two main fuse boxes in the F30, F31, and F34 models. The first is located under the hood. To find it, just lift the hood and look for this rectangular box near the driver's side. The second fuse box is located inside the cabin, on the driver's side, behind this cover. Now that we've located both fuse boxes, let's take a closer look at the diagrams. I'll highlight some key fuses you might need to know about. Now, let's talk about some common fuse-related issues you might encounter. If your windows suddenly stop working or your dashboard lights go out, there's a good chance you've blown a fuse. Always check your fuses first before moving on to more complex electrical diagnostics. It's a simple and often overlooked step. And that's it for today's video on the BMW 3 Series fuse box diagram. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car maintenance tips. Have any questions or tips of your own? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching Cars Fuse, and see you in the next video.